And some political support coming in from Kangana Ranaut. Shiv Sena is now there at airport, while there's a fringe group, Karni Sena, as well. Take a look at what has happened is complete commotion at the Mumbai airport. On one side, there is the Shiv Sena cadre, it appears, who are protesting against Kangana Ranaut, is what we are being told. On another, there is the fringe group, Karni Sena, that says, we will come and protect you. We will offer protection. Although, remember, Karni Sena has controversies of its own with regard to earlier films of Padmavat, where they had made a threat against Deepika Padukone back then. But today they say, we stand with Kangana Ranaut. They are at the Mumbai airport. There's also Shiv Sena, so there could be a possible clash. The security personnel has been deployed. Take a look at that. Visuals there on your screen about the posters, about the protest that is being organized. Two different sides. It is now not just Kangana versus Sena, it is even the Karni Sena groups that have come. It is Karni Sena versus the Shiv Sena becoming there at the Mumbai airport. So complete showdown even before the actor has reached. We can see black flags. It appears the black flags are likely could be used by the Shiv Sena as well against Kangana Ranaut. We'll try and wait for further confirmation as well. But complete commotion right now appears at the Mumbai airport. And this while Kangana Ranaut has already gone on a tirade. She's used strong attacks like Pakistan, POK, Babar's army, my office is my Ram temple, all of this while her arrival is awaited. We can see there in the foreground that there are security personnel and airport officials who have formed a chain, a human chain, to ensure that the crowd does not enter further into the airport, because there are of course other flights and passengers as well there. But as the flight is set to land, we can see some black flags, we can see protests being organized. We'll try and differentiate which group is protesting where and why. But heightened activity at the airport, perhaps more security will have to be deployed. All this while Kangana Ranaut has remained completely defiant. She's going to land in Mumbai, see her office demolished. She's now a Y category protectee. So even because of that security reason, will she be even walking out from this specific aisle as well? Because Y category protectees are usually then taken out from VIP exits as well. So we'll wait and watch how this is panning out. All our reporters are on the ground to bring you the latest. What started at about 10 a.m. as her leaving Manali, then reaching Mandi in Himachal Pradesh, then Chandigarh, boarding a flight, was just expected an arrival as a Y category protectee in Mumbai. But what has changed in the last few hours is demolished office, Twitter tirade, Pakistan being brought in as well. Munish Pandey is there at the airport. Munish, what is this commotion? Who's protesting? Who's holding this black flag? Tell us all the details.
Jabal Puja, now there are two groups. Jabal Puja, now there are two groups. One is supporting Kangana Ranaut and the second one is not supporting Kangana Ranaut. They are opposing it. Now the RPI and the Karni Sena, they are members of these groups and they are supporting Kangana Ranaut. But now very large number. And now there is a showdown. There is a showdown at the Mumbai airport. Those who are supporting Kangana and those that the Mumbai police have to manage the crowd. They have both the support and those who are on the side. There is a very stand on the but all the Sena lady.
Can you see security personnel deployed there, or have they been caught by surprise with this protest, with this gathering that has come at the airport? Munish.
At two airports of Mumbai, and I think I'm not aware whether there was any permission sought by them. I'm not aware whether
yes.
There was any permission sought. 200 to 300 numbers, and they are with the black flag. Also, they are saying that Kangana should go to Pakistan, something which was earlier, hinted by the Shiv Sena. So